Back at it again. Find a mission at the cemetery. Wait. Gotta cancel.
0 feet altitude. 0 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 100% battery.
Said compass needed to restart, but then it just kept going.
Mission ended.
Just want to get a focus before I take off. It looks good. Reload. So there's always an issue somewhere down the line. Yesterday my issue was camera shaking, vibrating weird. There's a breeze, of course. It's just been windy for the last 3 weeks straight. Maybe one day without wind.
299 feet altitude. 44 feet distance. 19 miles per hour. 96% battery.
Had to turn the fucking volume down, which requires shutting the app off for a second. Don't see any shaking right now. I got home last night and I recalibrated the gimbal, which I had done before. Good speed so far. There's Gould Orchard. They just got sold by somebody. Just gonna take it over. Guys from Skodak bought it out here. I had
feet altitude.
trouble with the exposure too. The picture was really dark, but it was just the setting.
Battery.
It was on manual, but it was set to a low f-stop, and I don't know how that happened. So I just set it the way I had it on the other ones, where I can pretty much control all the light. It's looking good. Everything looks pretty good. Say that, then something happens. No, I'm slowing down to 6 miles, 7 miles an hour. Got a this is the brand new battery in here.
299 feet altitude. 3,179 feet distance. 23 miles per hour. 88% battery.
I don't lose contact on this mission, so I just need to keep an eye on the battery. So you got any hood rack activity down there?
It's 300 feet altitude. 3,841 feet distance.
Head up a little ways and then
85% battery.
It's going to cut over the train tracks and come back up here. It's flying into the wind now. Should get better. This wind has just been unrelentless for the past 3 weeks, maybe 2 days without wind, and tomorrow they're talking 40, 50 mile an hour gusts. It's like, where are you, in the Rocky Mountains? Every day. Yeah, it definitely looks like Recalibrating the gimbal last night definitely helped a lot.
299 feet altitude, 4,411 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 80% battery.
Nice view. This time I flew over here, I didn't notice it, of course, until I watched the video, but there was four four-wheelers on the tracks flying, riding by. Wish the wind would calm down a little.
299 feet altitude, 4,449 feet distance, 12 miles per hour, 76% battery.
Well, at least the wind keeps the hawks away, I guess. Be cool if a train came by right now, but that won't happen. Otherwise, a nice, leisurely cruise into the wind. Slow it down right now. It's about 10 miles an hour. It's programmed to do 29.
299 feet altitude, 4,301 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 72% battery.
Anytime in this mission I can take control, so I'm not really concerned. Just watch the battery, don't get stuck where I'm hung up and won't be able to get back.
.300 feet altitude, 4,278 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 68% battery.
Yeah, I guess there's a nor'easter storm coming in tomorrow. The snow's gonna miss us. It's gonna be more coastal, but we're supposed to get high winds because of it. So probably won't be flying again tomorrow. Yeah, the wind's just been relentless. Every day. And it's cold too. We go in 10 minutes and this should have been beyond the halfway point by now. It's going to turn up at that bridge up there. Then it
299 feet altitude, 4,331 feet distance, 8 miles per hour.
Pick up speed exponentially. Any news? No news. It's cold pretty good for flying right into the wind. I think it was out here I hit 49 miles an hour. I had to have a good strong wind at the back, obviously. I noticed it on my logs. Sun's about to set. It's behind the clouds though, it got cloudy.
299 feet altitude, 4,473 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 59% battery.
I'm probably not going to finish the whole mission. I'm just going to let it get around this turn up here, then come back. I'm at 56%. At the corner of that field, it's where it's supposed to turn.
299 feet altitude, 4,722 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 54% battery.
I bought a wind hood from my GoPro to try to muffle the sound, but it doesn't work. Big surprise.
(299 feet altitude, 5,032 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 49% battery.
Start to turn now. Then it should start kicking it. Couple more feet. Come on, buddy. You can do it.
300 feet altitude, 5,313 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 45% battery.
I'm gonna get in the damn car. No sense on standing out here freezing. Make sure my radio is off so I don't get another YouTube copyright infringement for picking up the background noise on my radio. That's happened. Fucking Cardi B song was playing when I got in my car last week. I got in the car because it was so cold. And YouTube filters caught it and stuck a copyright infringement tag on the video.
Feet distance, 16 miles per hour, 40% battery.
Now it's got the wind to its back. It's going to start cruising. It's going to cut through the path in the woods up here, then come That's when I'll stop it and bring it back because I'm down to 36.
299 feet altitude, 4,648 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 36% battery.
Beautiful downtown Scodidiac, New York. I gotta admit, it is nice out here. No traffic, quiet. No idiots.
299 feet altitude, 3,874 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 31% battery.
Now this was weird because the last time I came through here to this little path in the woods, the altitude was supposed to be 100 feet and it dipped down to 80 something, and I just like said, can't do that. And I took over because it wasn't supposed to go that low. I don't know what happened, but I did have that slightly damaged GPS module on board, which I had to swap out because one of the wires that hooks into the harness of it was loose.
300 feet altitude, 4,270 feet distance, 14 miles per hour, 26% battery.
I'm gonna let it go through here and bring it back. Should probably bring it back. So it's just across the street.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
That's the right altitude that time.
Warning, aircraft battery at 24%.
When he gets out of this little spot, I'm going to bring it home because it's almost
114 feet altitude, 2,648 feet distance, 27 miles per hour, 22% battery. Mission ended.
Be faster to fly it back by hand.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
Holy shit, it's 40 miles an hour. A little auto in.
Aircraft battery at 18%. 130 feet altitude, 380 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 17% battery.
Well, other than the wind, that was a good flight because I was very happy to see the camera stop vibrating. Apparently, the gimbal adjustment, auto calibration fixed it. And I should have known that's all it was. And then I'm not having any trouble with the lighting either. I overrode whatever that. However, that thing got changed in that setting. What it did, it set itself to a low f-stop. And I didn't know that. I didn't do it intentionally. So last night it started to sun started to set and I could barely see anything.
74 feet altitude. 17 feet distance. 3 miles per hour.
He's rocking in the wind.
12% battery.
Coming down. Very nice landing. 11% battery. That's how you push the envelope. Like I said, that went okay. I saw what I wanted to see. This is Tony Hawk attack. He got attacked by the hawk and had a couple issues with him. Put a new motor arm on. Put a new gimbal in, and like I said yesterday, my camera was shaking like crazy and it didn't do it today. So nice flight. 21 minutes. D-dub out.